Hey, I bought a cake
A cake? Why did you buy a cake?
because today is your birthday.
No, it's not my birthday.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Then why does today feel special?
I don't know, but it feels different.
Maybe it's our anniversary?
No, that's next month.
Oh no, my brain is not working today.
Same here. I feel like we're forgetting something important.
Did we plan anything earlier?
I don't remember planning anything.
Wait, look at Buddy.
Wow, he's running so fast.
He looks really happy today.
Look at his tail. It won't stop moving.
Why is he so excited?
Oh, today is his birthday.
You're right. We forgot our dog's birthday.
But he remembered. Look at his face.
That's so cute.
So the cake is for Buddy, not for us.
He deserves it.
He's part of our family.
Let's give him a big hug.
Happy birthday, Buddy.
Best dog ever. Something smells really good in here.
I'm making soup for lunch.
That's nice. Can I taste it?
Sure, but be careful. It's hot.
Okay. Wow.
Is it good?
It's very salty.
Salty? That can't be right.
Trust me, it is.
I didn't even add salt.
Then what did you add?
Sugar. Just a little.
Sugar and soup?
Yes. Wait.
Which jar did you use?
The red one.
The red jar is salt.
What?
The blue jar is sugar.
Oh no, I mixed them up last night.
So you switched the labels.
I think so. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Can we fix it?
Let's try.
I'll add more water.
And maybe more vegetables.
Good idea.
This pot is huge now.
Looks like soup for 2 days.
I don't mind. I like your cooking.
Taste it again.
Much better.
Yes, the soup is saved. I can't find my earrings anywhere.
Did you check the bathroom?
Yes, nothing there.
I lost one of my earbuds too.
Our house is really messy.
Yeah, we need to clean properly.
Let's split the work.
I'll clean the bedroom.
I'll start with the living room.
Call me if you find something.
Sure.
Hey, I found one earring.
Great. Where was it?
Under the makeup drawer.
Check the sofa for the other one.
Wait, I found it.
Really?
Yes, but it's stuck to gum.
That's gross.
I'll wash it later.
Look, I found some money.
Wow, how much?
A few dollars.
Cleaning feels like treasure hunting.
Yeah, we should clean more often.
Oh, I found your earbud.
Finally, today is a lucky day. Did you hear that sound?
Yeah, someone knocked.
Let's check the door.
There's a package outside.
It's wrapped so nicely.
With a red ribbon, too.
Who could send this?
Let's open it slowly.
Wow, fresh vegetables and meat.
Everything looks so fresh.
This must be for cooking.
Wait, did you plan this?
Maybe.
You did, didn't you?
Yes, it's your birthday dinner.
That's so thoughtful.
I wanted to surprise you.
You really did.
Let's cook together tonight.
I'd love that.
We still need a few things.
Soap, shampoo, and sponges.
Where's the soap aisle?
Over there, on the left.
Liquid soap or bar soap?
Liquid is easier to use.
This one smells nice.
Let's take it.
Shampoo next.
Do you like this brand?
Yes, it works well.
We need sponges too.
Yellow ones, right?
Yes.
Trash bags?
Medium size is fine.
This one is cheaper and stronger.
Good choice.
I think that's everything.
Let's go pay.
What should we cook first?
Let's start with the pasta.
Okay, I'll get the pot.
Make sure to add enough water.
How much water do we need?
About this much.
Got it. I'll turn on the stove.
Don't forget the salt for the water.
Right. Just a little.
Pasta tastes better that way.
I'll cut the chicken now.
Be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, I'm being careful.
The chicken looks fresh.
Yes, it does.
Cut it into small pieces.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Should we add vegetables?
Yes, vegetables are good.
Which ones do you want?
Broccoli is easy today.
Okay, I'll wash it.
I'll heat the pan.
The water is starting to boil.
Great. You can add the pasta now.
Pasta is in.
Set a timer, please.
How long?
About 10 minutes.
Timer is on.
Nice. Everything is going well.
I'll start making the salad.
Simple salad is fine.
Just green leaves, right?
Yes, no need for anything else.
I'll wash them well.
Thank you.
Salad is almost ready.
That was fast.